I know I'm late to the party, but I don't give a damn. The OnePlus Open has finally landed in my hands, and I'm actually recording from it right now. This phone is so badass. And I've only had it for like a couple of hours, actually been using it for a couple of hours. I did actually pre-order this on October 19th, but that day I kind of waited towards the end of the day because I know I was doing a lot of traveling and I wanted to make sure that I was home when it came. I'm actually glad that I did because when it was delivered yesterday, they just left it at the top of the step, not even close to the door. So everything happens for a reason. Anyways, yo, I am loving what I'm seeing from this device so far. I held off as much as I could from watching a lot of videos about this because I wanted to form my own opinion and I didn't want any type of bias in any way. The hype is real. I cannot wait to dive more into this device. Follow me, make sure you subscribe to the channel because I'm going all in. You know how much I loved the OnePlus 11. This is that times 10. Let's do this.